Hey guys, just a quick note before we start. Please make sure that you check your AIO Connect before following any of the next steps, just to make sure that nothing is connecting, your Hydroshift AIO is not showing up, and that you're not missing anything. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be helping you fix your Lian Li AIO. This is what fixed my Hydroshift LCD when my screen wasn't appearing, and also when it was stuck on the loading screen. This happens multiple times to me, and this is always how I fix it. So please take my advice with a grain of salt. If you don't feel like it's the right step for you, then please do not attempt it. But it should work if your setup looks similar to mine. So right now, I'm going to put on the screen what errors you should be having with your AIO. It should either be completely a black screen, or it should be like stuck on the loading screen. To fix this, you're going to go to Device Manager. Then you are going to come down here on Device Manager to Other Devices. And then when you open it, you should see something that says Unknown Device. Now for unknown device, that's your AIO, most likely. If you have multiple, then I don't really know what to tell you. But if you only have one and you don't see your AIO on here, it is probably your AIO. What you're going to do is you're going to right click it and you're going to hit uninstall. And now you're going to restart your computer. So you're going to either shut it off and turn it back on or hit restart. Now when you turn your computer back on, you should see your screen pop up eventually. This may not fix your issue completely. If not, don't give up. You got this. This just fixed my issue. Another thing you could try to do for troubleshooting is if you go onto the AIO Connect 3 Lian Li software, you can see if your AIO Connect AIO is there, and if not, then you at least know it's not connecting at all and your computer or motherboard is not reading it.